Let's go to this HR21 Mark II machine. It's been reported with engine start problems. So let's try to see what's happening here. Okay, I do have some error code there. Let me take the cover off, just see if you can see that. If I go into error codes, 01009B05. Right, I will try to find out what that means. I think I've never seen this code before. But that's possibly the reason why it's not starting up. Let's try to see what it's doing. Okay, nothing at all. I can hear the relays are clicking. If I go to start, I can hear the relays clicking, but I have nothing else and that error code. So let me find out what the error code means, and we go from there. Alright, got my service manual ready here, so let me see if I can find the error code I need. That should be maybe troubleshooting. Error codes, here we go. Yeah, that's an error code. So I know I need to read that code backwards. So my error code was 01009B05. So I'm going to start with the 05, I think, and that's how the bytes are going. So I'm going to start at the first byte, and I'm going to go backwards. 05, here we go here. Okay, that's a 05, as my code was 01009B05. So 05 is this last two digits. So 005 means under voltage. So there shows under voltage. Okay, so that's kind of makes some sense. So I need to go now on the second byte here, and that would be fifth and sixth digit. Okay, and that was 9B. So 9B, let's look for the 9B here. Yeah, 9, here we go, that's 9B, here we go, that's 9B here. So VBB1, extended side, and that's, okay, so we know on this VBB1 we have an under voltage condition, and the rest of them is, and the third byte, it was 00, so no error cause or application specific error, so it means nothing. And then 01 was the first byte, the fourth byte, sorry, so that doesn't give much information for us. I think the last two bytes or last four digits gives the most information. I mean the under voltage and on that port. So my guess would be that under voltage would happen if you wouldn't have a blown fuse. 01, it just says here, you see the fourth byte, it just says general error. Okay, yeah, I need to have a look on the electric schematic and then see which fuses that is. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find this VBB1 on extended side on my electric schematic right here, and if we go to PLC, you see this shows like two parts of the PLC, which is one PLC with the two ends on it, and on this side you can see here is base PLC. See there where the mouse is, base PLC extended side. Okay, and right here VBB1. So that VBB1, it comes from the fuse F11. So I think that fuse F11 is gone, possibly. That's why it's giving us an error. And F11. Okay, I think we should be here. Yeah, there we go. So that's the main fuse box, and F11 is right here, right top one. So I'm gonna look into that. Okay, that's where my fuse box is here. So it has this cover on, and Inside here there is a label with the fuses, and number 11, that's the one we're looking for, and it's right here, this top one. I can see it straight away, it has gone, it's blown away, but let's check a continuity so we are sure. Yeah, so no resistance at all, so the fuse has gone. So I will replace the fuse, and let's see if it's gonna pop out again. And if it's gonna pop again, then we're gonna look what's causing that. Okay, so I still have error present. Let me show you. So the circle is still here, showing that error is present. Error code is there, so I'm gonna fit this new fuse in it and see what's gonna happen. So the fuse is on. So let's restart the machine. Okay, so no more errors, and if I look into error codes, nothing there. Okay, so if I go into glow now, okay, nothing. Let me try to start the engine. Okay, it's trying. It's cranking fine, so let me see if I can actually fire this up. Just glow for a few seconds. Alright, it's cranking. It is cranking. Oh, but it does not start. To check engine RPM, we need to go on to engine info. And here on the top, hopefully you can see it, is showing the engine speed. So if I'm going to crank, yeah, I see some revs coming through, but it seems like it's going low on the power now. I'm just not sure if the glow is working because I cannot hear the relay clicking for the glow. So let me try that. Let me try to measure voltage on that and see from there. Yeah, it seems I have no glow. I have no voltage on the glow plugs. So, but what I notice here, that fuse is gone here. 10 amp fuse, 23. I'm not too sure what is that for. But that's strange because look, those two fuses are gone. 15 and 10 amp. So let's find out what the 23 is. Alright, let's have a look on fuse 23. 23, 10 amp. 23 right here. Engine control supply. So engine control supply fuse gone as well. So something is going on there. Maybe that's an engine control feed. Maybe it's right here. Engine control feed. Yeah, possibly. That's why you see you get your glow controls and I have no glow. That's possibly why. Okay, so that's why you cannot start engine. Okay, so we need to look on ECF wire. ECF. So let's go back up here. ECF wire right here. See this one here? So this wire here is ECF wire, and if we follow that, we have fuse 23. Okay, so we know that blew the fuse. Okay, so let's replace that fuse and see what it's gonna do. Okay, so got my new 10 amp fuse. Let's put this in. So I'm gonna start it up, see what's gonna happen. Okay, now machine is on. Fuse seems to be okay. I didn't blow the fuse up yet. So let's try to see if I have a glow now. Yeah, I have a glow now, so the voltage is there. So once you go into glow, I have a voltage on it, that's fine. So the glow is working now, so now I'm gonna be able to start the engine. Let's try. Just preheat a bit. Alright, that started straight away. Strange why the fuse is gone. There must be a reason why they're gone. They can't just pop out just like that. And it's quite a heavy fuse, 15 amp and 10 amp. For the Engine's running nice now, smooth, no problems. So I think I will try to follow the wires just to make sure there's no damage or anything on the wires, and see from there. The one thing is here, and I think that's where the problem is. I haven't looked at it yet. I just noticed some marks on this corner here, right there. You see there is some black marks around across the edge, and this is kind of like sparking, and I can see this a bit too tight, I think, here, and it's gone through. Yeah, I can see that right here. So it has gone through the loom on this corner. So I think what I will do, I'll try to see how bad is it, if I can get this repaired. For now I will do that. It's just a one wire possibly, but that's why the fuse is gone. Yeah, okay, so that's gonna be the reason why the fuse is gone. Perfect. Let's fix that and it's gonna be good to go. Alright, so cable been fixed. Let's try see if you have any more errors. Yeah, so now I can hear the relays clicking. Engine fired up straight away, no problems with that. Stops as well, fine. Okay, so that's good to go. I think it's all fixed, no problems at all.